Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jacinta, and in today's video I will be deep cleaning my kitchen. I will be cleaning the inside of my stove, behind my stove, wiping down my countertops and cabinets, and more. So if you're in need of cleaning motivation, stay tuned.
Need you to trust me. You will get no less than you deserve.
Some Lysol and some bleach to disinfect my countertops and cabinets.
So put your love on me now. So put your love on me, darling. Put your love on me now. Here we are lying under the stars. I'd do anything to hold your heart. The world is gonna let them tear us apart. So why don't you put your love on me now? Put your love on me now. Put your love on me, darling.
Now I know that kitchen cabinet looks a hot mess, but I do have an organization and declutter video coming up where I declutter all my kitchen cabinets. So if this is something that you're interested in or you want to see, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I upload that video and all future uploads.
Feels enough, no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above the door, meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all, I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again, yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. I start to believe in myself and life will be sweet again, so sweet again. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do. Can't stand right when it's blowing, pushing me down. Feels like I'm falling apart, yeah. rise above it all. Meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat a ball. I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself.
Y'all see how dirty that oven is? It's been 6 months. Yes, y'all. 6 months since I last deep cleaned my oven. To clean my oven, I'll be using some baking soda and vinegar. So in this clip, you see me putting some baking soda down. And I'm spraying with some cleaning vinegar, water, and dish soap mixture. So I was supposed to let the vinegar and baking soda mix sit in the oven for at least 12 hours before scrubbing. However, I didn't do that. I just started scrubbing as soon as I put it down. If you don't want to have to scrub as hard as I'm doing, just let it sit overnight or let it sit in the oven for at least 12 hours and you won't have to scrub as hard.
You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener. You will never understand what you put me through. And you'll never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one. Yeah, you're damn right. Already gave you my loved ones, but now I'm fed up, gonna take it all back. Cause we're a no-go. I know that I do better solo, so move along for God and shadow. Better get it right this time around.
So if y'all are still here with me, I'm still washing my stove and cleaning it, deep cleaning it. I said before it had been 6 months since I had last done this. I've learned my lesson. I will not do that again. I will be cleaning my stove more often. So tell me, y'all, how often do y'all clean y'all stove? How long do y'all go between cleanings? Leave a comment below.
Get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes in a groove. No, I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away, I am drifting away. Wasted youth, wasted love. Yeah, was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose, cut me loose. I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time.
So in this clip, you see me moving the stove, and I'm just going to clean behind here and sweep and mop. Y'all see all this trash and pretzels and pencils and stuff? I swear, when I tell my kids to clean the kitchen, I don't know what they be doing. It looks like they just be sweeping stuff underneath the stove.
Have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away. Now I'm drifting away.
Right now I'm just wiping it down and using the last little bit of the baking soda, and I'm spraying it with the same mixture that I had before, the cleaning vinegar, water, and dish detergent.
It's done, all done. Time flies, I know that's for sure. Yeah, you're gone.
So as y'all can see, my stove needed a real good deep cleaning. So in this clip, I'm just wiping down my stove top and replacing the drip pans.
We never really move on from our past. Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone, so it didn't have to hurt this bad. Don't say goodbye, don't do this now. Don't go, don't go, don't go. You should know why. My Gemini, my love.
if you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. I'm just going to continue sweeping and mopping. And this is near to the end of the video. So if you like what you watch, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified each and every time I upload a brand new video. I'll be uploading videos on cleaning, organization, and mom life. Thanks again for watching, guys.